Hello everybody, it's me Granny Gems, and let me tell you something. What if I told you that most avatar creators are sabotaging their own growth? No. Not because they're avatar. Not because of YouTube. It doesn't matter about any of those things. But what it does matter is that their audio doesn't sync with the updating technology. Let me give you an example. If you eating a bowl of soup with a fork, that's a problem. I'm sorry, that's a problem. You gotta update the technology and use a spoon. That's what this video is all about today. Alright? So, in saying that, you do not need a podcast audio studio that costs $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. Okay? You do not need expensive gear. Okay? Some of the names that we can't even pronounce the words of the name. It doesn't matter. What I am saying to you is you don't have to be technical savvy in order to be able to have a wonderful microphone presented with audio that works with your avatar. Okay? So that's what this video is all about today. That's what I'm going to be talking about. And after my intro, let's get started. Alright everybody, now the best microphones for avatar creation is the microphones that sync properly with the programs that you are using. There's so many different type of programs. You could be an avatar through Animaze. You can be an avatar through through any other program or new app like HeyGen, or it's so many different, or Zepeto. That's where I'm an avatar through. Alright? Roblox. You could be so many different type of avatars, but the technology must match what you're using. Okay? In order for the syncing to work. Alright, so when it comes to the syncing, think of the technology being improved this way. Eventually, you'll be able to just talk through a mic without having a camera looking at your facial features, okay? Because your facial features is how you're making your expression. But through the microphones, which is the new technology now, you're able to say words, and the words is going to create your gestures and your features from the conversation, the tone of your voice, okay? So, in saying that, having the proper microphone is one of the most important aspects when it comes to having that dynamic video entertainment, okay? So, let's get into it. So, in 2026, YouTube was flooded with AI visual stock footages, all type of avatars and animated explainers. So, what separates trusted creators from noise? Audio clarity. Okay? The audio is how YouTube and all of these other platforms decipher whether you are real human or AI. It matters. Alright? It really does matter. You want to be as clear as possible when speaking and giving your presentations, because guess what? YouTube and all of these other platforms will boost you because they see it's the you. It's the true you. Right? So, in saying that, one of the most important aspects is having a great audio, clean audio. It increases your watch time. Alright? Improves retention. Okay? Signals professionalism to the platforms, whether it's YouTube or Twitch or Twitter or TikTok or Instagrams. You understand what I'm saying? They all matter and they rate you on your presentation. Alright, so Here is something most people don't also always talk about. Educational and tutorial channels with clean audio earn up to about 20% more. 20 to 40% actually. Okay? They earn anywhere from 20 to 4% higher RPM than entertainment channels with poor sound. So, why? Because adults listen while working, driving, multitasking. So it's not about the facial features. It's about the clarity of what is being said. Okay? So, you don't want to struggle to hear. You don't want to struggle and have your avatar not understanding or translating your emotions properly. Alright? So, the best microphones for your avatar creator for 2026. The first one is the blue Yeti X. I just like the name Yeti. That's why I picked this. Nah, I'm just kidding. It is really good for the HeyGen voiceovers. So you know the HeyGen voiceovers, the program that you use for avatars, that's one. Zepeto tutorials, if you plan on doing Zepeto tutorials like I do, okay, that is good for Zepeto. Screen recordings, definitely, absolutely. Beginner videos, you want instant quality. And Blue Yeti is definitely one of the best. Alright, so why avatar creators love it? It plugs and play. No interference, meaning you plug it in and you go ahead and start using it. It's clean vocal tone. Remember what I said earlier in the beginning of this video? When you speak, your avatar will react. Eventually, you're not going to need a camera in order to translate your body language. Okay, so built-in gain control work perfectly with OBS, Audacity, Premiere, and CapCut. Alright, these are some of the tools. Remember I mentioned your applications have to work with your microphone and be compatible. So yes, the Blue Yeti X is definitely one of them. Alright, also we have some budget-friendly kind, alright, of microphones. This is the Rode NT USB Mini, baby. Okay, it's so cute. It's the cutest thing I ever seen in my life. Alright, it's perfect for new channels, short form content, tutorials, voice only avatar videos. That's like me. Okay, voice only avatar videos. Why it works is small, okay, crisp sound, excellent noise handling, affordable but professional, and is best for creators who want good audio without thinking about gear. So you just want to buy something that's good? Listen, Rode NT USB Mini. Now I'm putting all of these in the body of this description, so you can feel free to have the access you need to pick whatever one you want. Let's continue. All right, then we got the best mic for noisy homes. If you got a loud house or an apartment and you got some neighbors that's upstairs, or you live in New York like I do and always have a police siren or a helicopter just like the one that just flew by just now, I'm just saying, you want to have a good microphone. Okay, this is a secret weapon. Okay, for apartments, background noise, street sounds, kids, pets, or neighbors. Alright, why it's powerful? The dynamic mic rejects room noise. Okay, so it's USB and the XLR is future proof. The future is in the mic, not your camera necessarily. Okay, so the studio level sound is magnificent and it's used by professionals because guess what? A lot of people work from home nowadays. Alright? So you need something that is really good. So who is it best for? What kind of creators? Creators who have a studio sound without a studio. If you want a studio sound without a studio, the Shure MV7 is perfect for you. Let's continue. Alright? Now, not everybody like a microphone. You might want a headset. Alright, the best headset mic which is underrated, baby. It's underrated, is the Elgato Wave headset. Perfect for live tutorials, okay? Screen shares, long recording sessions, meaning you ain't got to worry about having a mic in your hand. You don't have to worry about anything, the sound of the next person that you're conversating with. If you're doing a live session or whatever it is, you don't have to worry about any of that. That is the Elgato Wave headset. Now, why it works, it's consistent mic position, meaning once you set it down, that is what it is. It's consistent. It's going to stay there. So if you move to the left, it'll stay right there and capture that left sound from you. If you move to the right, it'll capture the same sound. Okay? No desk mic needed. Clean vocal isolation. Comfortable for long sessions. Alright? For those people who like to do 2 and 3 hour lives and so forth and so on, you need something comfortable. So, what type of creators is this best for? Simple, consistent, no setup recording people who would like to do it like that. Okay? Who don't want no stress. That's it. Simple and easy. Just put it together and keep on going. Alright? So, what avatar creators should avoid? Now, you should definitely let me be really clear. You always want to save money. So avoid laptop microphones. Don't use microphones that's from your laptop. That's terrible for the audio. Okay? Avoid $20 Amazon mics. Don't do it. I'm telling you, do not do it. Avoid gaming mics marketed only for RGB. Total different industry. Avatar is avatar. Gaming is gaming. Can you use your gaming mic for your avatar? Absolutely. Should you? Absolutely not. Okay? Avoid shotgun mics for voiceovers. You cannot use those type of mics. Okay? Now, why? They cause echo, tiny audio, listener fatigue, lower retention. Alright? Your voice is your brand. When your voice isn't available, guess what? Nothing else is. It doesn't matter how good your avatar looks. If the voice or the audio is not wonderful, you can forget all about it. Okay? Audience retention is what it is. Alright? So, simple audio setup for avatar videos. You do not need complexity. So you just need a USB microphone, free software, which is like Audacity or OBS. Okay, a quiet room, consistent distance from the mic. Alright, so in saying that, optional upgrades, meaning a pop filter. Alright, a foam windscreen, a noise reducer filter. You can use those things. Alright, I'm not technical like that. So I need a mic with all of that in it. I'm not technically savvy like that. I just need a mic with all of that in it. Okay? So, how audio ties into real income? Here's the business truth. Clean audio leads to higher watch time, higher trust. Okay, higher conversation, which means more ads, more affiliate sales, course signups, and more metaverse opportunities, which lead me to my Metaverse Millionaires. You should definitely become a Metaverse Millionaire. All right, you learn what avatar content actually works, monetize early. I teach you all of that. Okay, it's for 18 years and older. All right. Because guess what? Money talks and everything else walks, baby. It is what a TI is. And I am a Metaverse Millionaire. So when each one, teach one. That's what you want to learn from the best. That's what it is. You just going to learn from the best. All right. So in saying that, what you need to do is you need to take a look in the description, pick one of those good mics, sign up for my Metaverse Millionaires and become a millionaire with me, and let's go out and make the best content that we possibly can. All right? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and share it. Okay? And until the next time, everybody, have a great day. Bye.